Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Monday Mulligans. I am Dylan Joslin, the PGA head golf professional at Heritage Eagle Bend. Today we are going to be going over a distance drill for putting. Learning to putt is one of the very most challenging things that we do. And it's very hard because it's hard to understand how to hit the putt different distances. So today we are going to be working on a 5, 10, 15, and 20 foot putt. When we are learning to hit a putt different distances, we need to make sure that we know that we are always going to be symmetrical in our putter swing, meaning that if I bring it back to my right toe, I need to follow through at least to my left toe. So we're going to start here with a 5 foot putt. I've practiced this so I know my own stance and my own feel, so this you'll have to figure it out for yourself. But essentially, I take the same putter stance every single time. So the width of my stance is always the same. I've learned that with these 5 foot putts, the face of my putter never has to leave the insides of my feet. All right, everybody, so when we're working on the distances of our putts, it's really important to recognize that 100% of short putts do not go in. So we want our putts to at least go past the front edge of the cup, and then we don't want to hit more than about 17 inches or 1.5 feet past the cup. So when we're doing this drill today, we have to go past the front edge of this lip and shorter than our indicator here. So for my 5 foot putt, if you'll remember, I kept the face of the club in between my feet. I'm going to make the length of my stroke a little longer but keep my tempo the same. So my 10 foot putt is to the edge of my toes. And now that I am to the 15 foot putt, I'm going to go to the outsides of my feet. All right, everybody, as you can see, I just missed that putt. But in this drill, I wasn't short of the hole and I wasn't past my 1.5 foot indicator, so I'm allowed to move on to the 20 foot putt. If you remember from the 15 footer, I was bringing the putter face to the outsides of my feet, which means I am just going to extend the putter just past the outsides of my feet for my 20 foot putt. That concludes this week's episode of the Monday Mulligans. Thank you so much and tune in next week.